Imagine stepping onto another planet without ever leaving Earth. Welcome to the northern coast of Taiwan, where the wind and sea have spent millions of years sculpting a masterpiece. This is Yehliu Geopark. Located on a narrow promontory stretching into the East China Sea, this place looks less like a park and more like a scene from a sci-fi movie. Today, we're exploring the strange, the beautiful, and the fragile wonders of Yehliu. Right after passing through the entrance forest path, you'll find the Queen's Head too. This is a 1:1 scale replica created using high-precision 3D laser scanning and multi-axis CNC technology. While the original Queen's Head stands further out by the sea, this replica was placed here for two important reasons. First, it serves as a backup to preserve the Queen's likeness for future generations, as the original's neck is dangerously thinning due to erosion. Second, it allows visitors to get up close and take photos without the long wait times or the environmental risks associated with the fragile original site. It's a perfect spot to capture a clear shot of the Queen's elegant profile before you head deeper into the geological wonders of the park. As you step into Area 1, you are immediately greeted by a surreal, forest-like cluster of mushroom rocks. These formations look like giant stone fungi sprouting from the earth. The top part is made of harder rock that resists erosion, while the thinner stems are softer sandstone that wears away faster over time. One of the highlights here is the cute princess, often called the successor to the queen. She resembles a young girl with her hair tied up in a ponytail. Nearby, you'll find the candlestick works, which are considered some of the most unique formations in the world. They look like giant stone candles with a small round flame on top, formed by the swirling action of seawater carving out the softer rock around a hard core. Look down at the ground, and you'll see ginger rocks, which have rough, knotted textures just like pieces of ginger. Area 1 is a geological classroom where you can see the raw power of nature in every crack and curve. Leaving the first section behind, you cross a scenic bridge that serves as a gateway to Area 2. As you walk across, you can feel the shift in energy, the wind gets stronger, and the sound of crashing waves becomes more intense. Looking down from the bridge, you get a breathtaking view of the turquoise sea meeting the jagged, golden-brown coastline. It feels like you are crossing a threshold into a deeper, more ancient world. Area 2 is the heart of Yehliu, home to the world-famous Queen's Head. The landscape here is more spacious, allowing the unique silhouettes of the rocks to stand out against the vast ocean backdrop. Beyond the Queen, you'll discover formations like the Dragon's Head Rock and the Pineapple Bun Rock, each sculpted with incredible detail by nature's hand. Toward the edge of this area, the ground is etched with fossilized sea creatures, reminding us that this entire park was once deep underwater. Walking through Area 2 feels like a journey through time, where the raw beauty of the coastline and the delicate art of erosion come together in perfect harmony. As you walk along the wooden pathways, one silhouette stands out among the rest. This is the Queen's Head. Looking at it from the right angle, you can see the elegant profile of a queen, reminiscent of Nefertiti. But there's a bittersweet story here. Because of constant erosion, her neck is getting thinner every year. Scientists predict that one day, she may no longer be able to support her own weight. It reminds us that nature's art is fleeting, and we are lucky to witness it while it lasts. If the first two areas are nature's gallery, Area 3 is its untamed wilderness. As you venture further, The paved paths turn into a steep hiking trail that climbs toward the tip of the promontory. One side of the trail is a lush, green mountain slope, while the other is a sheer drop into the churning Pacific Ocean. Standing here, the feeling is one of immense scale and solitude. The sound of the wind is much louder, and you realize just how small we are compared to the vast sea. From the highest point, you can look back and see the entire narrow neck of the Yehliu Peninsula stretching back toward the mainland. It is a place of deep reflection. You can see the wave-cut platforms below, where the sea continues its relentless work of carving the land. In Area 3, you don't just see the rocks, you feel the raw, ancient heartbeat of the island. It's the perfect spot to end your journey, standing between the sky and the sea, witnessing the power of nature in its purest form. Yehliu Geopark is more than just a photo spot. It's a lesson in patience. It shows us what happens when nature takes its time. From the iconic queen's head to the smallest fossil, this place captures the raw beauty of our changing planet. If you ever find yourself in Taiwan, make sure to stand among these giants and feel the sea breeze.